Hi guys, we want to welcome you at Cisco Live in Amsterdam. We've just had a massive blast doing a proper autopilot survey with an iPad and our beloved, amazing, smashing, delightful Sidekick 2. How was it, Matthew?
It was amazing, worked perfectly. First time I was able to capture data really easily using my iPad and my Sidekick 2. I literally just went for a quick walk around the event, captured that data, and we're going to give you some tips on how you can do autopilot surveys as well and how you can make them extremely accurate. 2 quick tips on how you can do autopilot surveys correctly using Ekahau. First tip, make sure you scale your floor plan correctly. We brought a laser measure tool with us here so we could scale the floor plan using reference points and make sure it was perfectly scaled accurately. And Mac is going to tell you the second tip.
And the second tip is more important than the first tip, they're both very important by the way, is to calibrate your floor plan correctly before you start doing the autopilot survey, meaning you have to start somewhere, click exactly where you are, use the features around you to locate yourself and correlate your position with the map, wait for a few seconds, then start walking towards another thing on your floor plan that you can relate to. When you're there, click. That's it. Click accurately and your autopilot survey will be so absolutely smashing. You will be crying from happiness every time you use it.
So there you go, do an autopilot survey today.